Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the page that contains the embedded video. Do that now. Once open, press F12 or right-click and pick Inspect to reveal Developer Tools. Make sure the Network tab is visible. If not, click Network. You want to capture activity, so refresh the page after Network is active. This step lets you see all requests the page makes. It's where the link appears. Stay focused. You're watching for media type requests as the page reloads. Once Network is recording, switch to the Media or XHR filter to reduce noise. You may need to click play on the embedded player so the browser requests the video stream. Do that. Watch for requests labeled MP4, M3U8, MPD, or unusually large files. Those are your targets. Click a candidate request and inspect the headers and response tabs to verify content type is video. This is the crucial middle step. You're confirming which request actually carries the playable media. After you find the correct media entry, right-click it and choose Copy, then copy link address. Paste that into a new tab to test playback. If it plays, you've got the only way to access the direct link for that session. If playback fails, the URL may be tokenized or protected by DRM. Check headers for authorization tokens or short expiry. Make sure to disable interfering extensions, clear cache, and reload. That often reveals the valid current media URL.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.